So these are the pine trees right here. There's 4 in total, 4 very large pine trees. We've got a power line coming into the house. So my back's against the house here. A lot of chipping. All right, Evergreen, December 2020 pine tree removal. I'm Kelly Robinson of Colorado Premier Tree Care, and this was my job that I set up. It's a 4-man crew that we were running. Chris Kinsey in the tree, he was the climber. Running the knuckleboom was Nick of N&D Tree Company out of Parker, Colorado. Very skilled knuckleboom operator. I used him on a cottonwood removal and this pine tree removal. Both went very smooth, so I can't recommend Nick enough of N&D. I was on the saw, bucking everything that came down, and Barrett was my chipper and chipper guy, ground guy. So 4-man crew. We started probably around 8:45 in the morning, and we were done right around 1 o'clock and out of there by 2. So a very efficient job. Everything went very smooth. As you can see, we were swinging them over the house here. So it's kind of fun. A little nerve-wracking, but everything went real smooth, like I said. Had some weather come in here. You guys will see here in a second. It started snowing on us, but not a big deal. We're professionals, you know what I mean? So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a good day.